Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the simple steps to send a picture from your gallery using Gmail chat on your Android device. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your Android device. If you haven't done so already, make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look for the Chat tab at the bottom of the screen. Go ahead and tap on that. Next, you'll see a list of your chats. Open the chat you want to send the picture to. It's that easy. Now, look for the plus icon at the bottom left of your screen and tap on it. You'll see several options pop up. Tap on Photos to choose a picture from your gallery. Now, you'll notice a gallery icon. Tap on that to access your images. Scroll through your gallery and choose the picture you want to send. Take your time picking the perfect image. Once you've selected the picture, it'll be attached to your chat. Double-check everything looks good, and then tap the Send button, which usually looks like a paper airplane icon. And there you go. You've successfully sent a picture from your gallery on Gmail chat. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.